The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And this is just a quick update for making you know what's going on about a video that is out there on social media. It had came to my attention that this video is out there, and you know, there might be persons out there that don't know or don't understand as to what this video is about. Is what I'm saying to you? Now, according to some of the information that I got about this video on social media, is what I'm saying to you, it is said that on the 8th of May 2020, more than 30 persons had been arrested and charged for breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act. You see me? I'm not sure if there have been any more charges, but I'm telling you according to how I understand it. You see me? It is said that members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force had arrested and charged these persons because these persons were seen at a river that is located within the parish of Trelawny, that's of the country of Jamaica, and it is said that these persons were involved in a entertainment event. It is said that amongst those persons who had been arrested and charged, it is said that a bartender and a pregnant woman were included. You get what I'm saying to you? And please bear in mind that there might be more information about this whole thing, you know, and this is just a quick update to make you know what this video is about that is on social media. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and this thing said to have happened because of the whole COVID-19 pandemic. You know, persons are asked to practice social distancing and, you know, try to stay home, you know, because, you know, the government of countries out there, you know, and the government of Jamaica and so on, they are trying to prevent the spread of the COVID-19, all right? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you this video right about now so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. Is what I'm saying to you. And for those who might not like to see a video like this, some of the scenes in it might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, all right? Now here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
You will master my husband. Make your way up there. Big ups.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?